Hi guys, for today's video we will show you how to mirror Windows/Mac screen to another PC in an easy way with our powerful screen sharing tool AirDroid Cast. To cast your screen, download the AirDroid Cast application on our website or click the link below in the description. And install the app on the two computers no matter Windows or Mac. Launch the software and sign in to your AirDroid Cast account on the casting computer. It should be noted that for Mac OS version 10.14 and above, please add AirDroid Cast to allow screen recording permission for your first time using. Then, initiate the cast request on the computer. Open AirDroid Cast desktop client on the casting computer and click Cast to. Enter the 9-digital cast code shown on the AirDroid Cast desktop client of receiving computer. Or, click on the clock to connect history computers. The connection will be immediately started. There will be a casting request to appear on your receiving end computer if it's the first time casting. Select Trust this device and never ask me again to prevent the request from appearing every time. Accept the request by clicking Allow. Now you can see your computer screen on another PC and the features of AirDroid Cast will be enabled automatically. From the top of the local computer screen, you can pause the casting streaming by clicking the pause button on the control panel. When you have more than one screen connected, you can click the switch button to switch between screens. There also have microphone and sound button to help you mute/unmute the microphone of local computer and device media sound, and stop the screen sharing with one click. Well, that's all about how to mirror Windows/Mac screen to PC via AirDroid Cast. Do not hesitate and give it a try now. Thanks for watching and see you next time.